Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Google AdSense password. This is an essential security measure to keep your account protected, especially if you haven't updated your password in a while or suspect any unauthorized access. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to adsense.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your AdSense account using your current credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your account smoothly. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon sitting there. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to all your account settings and personal information, so it's important to know where it is. Once you click the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select My Account. This will take you to a comprehensive overview of your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your Google account, not just AdSense-specific features. Now that you're on the account page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a navigation panel with different categories. Look for and click on Security and Sign In. This section is dedicated to all your security settings, including password management, two-factor authentication, and recent activity on your account. Within the Security and Sign In section, you'll see several options related to securing your account. Find and click on Password. This is where you'll be able to update your current password to something new and more secure. Google may prompt you to verify your identity at this point for security reasons. You'll now be asked to input your current password. Type it in carefully and click Next. This step ensures that it's actually you making the change and not someone who has gained unauthorized access to your account. Take your time entering it to avoid any errors. After verifying your current password, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can set up your new password. In the first field, input your new password. Make sure it's strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and special characters if possible. Then input the same password again in the confirmation field below. This double entry system helps prevent typos and ensures you remember what you've chosen. Once both fields are filled in correctly, click Change Password. Google will process your request and prepare to update your credentials across all their services. A confirmation message will then appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to proceed with this change. Click Change Password one more time to finalize the update. This final confirmation ensures you're absolutely certain about changing your password. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google AdSense password, and your account is now secured with your new credentials. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.